How do I report a bug or issue with ChatGPT? Hi guys, let's get started. So to report a ChatGPT error or bug, first open up your preferred browser and type down help.openai.com. And once the site opens up, now click on the chat icon at the bottom right corner and then select the messages tab. Now click on send us a message and select ChatGPT. First, the AI will try to convince you to check out their help center instead of contacting them. But instead of this, we can click on I have a different question or other. Then again, they'll try to send you to the help center and asks us whether that helped us or not. We're just gonna select no. Now finally, we'll be given two options to choose from. So we need to choose report a bug or error. Now we can type down the bug or error that we have just experienced, and we could also attach a screenshot of the error we just experienced. If you want to attach a screenshot, simply tap on this paperclip-like icon, and once you're done with reporting, simply send it. So that's it. So this was a tutorial on how to report a ChatGPT error or bug. I really hope this video is going to help you out, and thank you for watching till the end.